Hi everyone, my name is Heidi Stirk. I'm the Deputy Director of eMHPrac, e-Mental Health in Practice. I'm going to talk to you about what we do and show you some of our website resources in this brief video. I'll get our website up on the screen ready. We're funded by the Commonwealth Department of Health. I'm based at Queensland University of Technology in Brisbane. We lead the project and we partner with Black Dog Institute, Menzies School of Health Research and the University Centre for Rural Health, University of Sydney. So we train health practitioners around the country about how to use digital mental health services with their clients. We develop, deliver and evaluate awareness sessions, workshops and webinars, and develop a wide range of resources. And when I'm talking about digital mental health, I'm referring to apps, programs that are self-guided, programs that have clinician support, phone lines, online counselling, forums and information websites. I'll now show you some of our key resources, starting with our library. We have a very popular guide to digital mental health resources that you may have seen before. We update this regularly. You can view it or download it, and you can also request it via our order form, which I'll show you later. And we post these out for free, and you can search for these services via a number of different ways. And the majority of these are free or low cost. We also have some brief brochures. I'll show you the youth brochure, which is in high demand. We send this out to lots of schools. And again, you can order these from us as well. You can also look at our fact sheets. We've got one on getting started with digital mental health. We have some videos, which we'll be adding to, and also some Indigenous resources as well. We've got a directory that matches the services in our resource guide, so you can search for these online. It's just a basic directory, but you can search for these in the same way as in the guide. We also have a link to Head to Health. This is the Australian Government's Digital Mental Health Gateway, and you may have come across this one before. You can search resources. So if I type in anxiety, and it comes up with a number of apps and programs that you can explore further, forums, phone chat and email, and some information websites. You can save if you're wanting to have a little look at something after exploring. And you can also search by filter. So if you're wanting to look at format or by age group or by population. Back to our homepage, Black Dog Institute eMHPrac team have also developed a number of webinars over the years. I'll take you there. They have information about upcoming webinars, and they also have recorded webinars that you can look at for professional development points. These are an hour long. There's a range of topics that you can see there. And they also have podcasts and online modules too. Wellmob is a website that was launched in July this year. It's been developed by eMHPrac and Australian Health Infonet in conjunction with Aboriginal health workers. And it has over 200 culturally appropriate social and emotional wellbeing resources. It'll take us there, and it's useful for anybody that's working with Indigenous clients. You can also look at upcoming events that we're involved with or contact us about any tailored training that you might like. You can join our monthly newsletters, and you can also be a part of the Black Dog community of practice that they've set up, where you can talk to others about digital mental health resources. I'll show you our order form. So you can order any of the brochures or fact sheets. We're going into the office more now, so we can send these out more quickly. You can also contact us here or via that email if you're wanting to get some more information. So thank you very much for listening. I hope you found this helpful, and I look forward to talking to you sometime. Do come and chat to us at our trade exhibit, and we're happy to talk more about programs and resources. And I really hope you enjoy the conference. Thank you.